Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got the 450 here and we are at a drag strip. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna be hitting some races, you know, see how fast this thing goes. It's gonna be a fun time, so let's get into it. Yo gang, shout out Icon for hooking it up with this vest. I'm gonna put this on just so I look a little more safe because I got no leather jacket or nothing. I really wonder what they're gonna say when I come up to the line. They're probably gonna be like, yo, what the f is this dude doing? Hopefully they let it slide through. Like, my bike has 50 horsepower, like nothing crazy, so it should be good. We're gonna walk up to the front gate and let's see what happens. The moment of flipping truth of what's gonna happen. I'm like nervous. I don't even know where to go, brother. Is this where you wait for like the bikes to go? Yeah. And like, it's my first time here. Sorry, but like, what? How does it go?
They'll call you in. So if you're on the right side, you're gonna race on the right. If
you're
on the left side, you're gonna race on the left.
They'll call the number?
No, they're gonna call us forward.
Oh, okay.
In circle.
It's orange though, right?
No, it's blue.
Oh, it's blue.
Watch. And then it's a circle. Then when you turn on the second one, it's a line in the middle.
Okay.
Stay there. The light go down. Take off on green. It's simple.
All right. Hey, thank you for the tip. All right. So homie over here, he was giving me the rundown of like the light situation, and to be honest, I'm a little confused still. But he says, wait till the blue light, and then move a little bit forward, and another light turns on, and then you just go. So I don't know. We gotta wait for the bikes to be called. I think it's cars right now, but yeah. I'm a little shaky.
I get racks, Louis backpack on my back. I put the city on my back.
I think I can go. No one said anything, so. Yo, we are about to do this, gang. We're on a freaking drag strip on a 450 dirt bike. This is ridiculous. Screw it, I'm coming up here.
You know you had a stage and everything?
Not really, but what you said, the white.
See where the first light is on?
Yeah.
Stay at the first light.
But where's the sensor?
Right here.
Oh. I got it.
They gotta check something.
Oh. And then it, okay. I appreciate that. Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking, guys. Like, you have no idea what's going on through my head right now. My mind is going 1,000 miles per hour. But all I know is just keep it straight, brother. Of course, when I go, there has to be a freaking difficulty on the track. Alright, here we go, gang. This is the moment of truth. What's my time? What's my time, brother? Let's freaking go! Let's go, dude! We did that shit, boy! Oh, boy! Let's fucking go! That was awesome, brother. Oh my gosh, dude, the rush! And I'm just on a regular freaking dirt bike, and the rush was just so crazy. Bro, it's so funny because I ran out of gear, dude. I was in 5th gear, just... Where's my time? $3:10? What we running?
13.7, I think it was.
No way!
250?
450. But I ran out of gear. I was like redlining.
Hey, that was good though.
I appreciate that, bro. Hey, that was my first lap, like first run ever, so yeah. I appreciate it.
Back down a bit faster.
Yeah, hey, next run, let's go. I ran a 13. quarter mile, 13.7, bro. That's as fast as a GTI. I went as fast as a GTI, bro. Look, hey, look. I'm a little shaky, but you see it? Hey, we're gonna get 13 flat, bro. My launch was terrible. My feet were sticking to the ground. It was so crazy. All right, gang, we're about to hit race 2. Come on. Woo, about to hit race number 2. Oh boy, your boy is nervous again. But I sort of know how to do it now. All right, I think we're about to go. I'm racing this fast ass GSX. Oh my god, that was it. That was crazy, dude. I went the whole way, and that was, bro, my mind is blown right now, dog. Bro, so I did a wheelie down the whole strip, and when I put it down, my front slid, bro. I was like this, and it went shoo. I thought I was gonna eat. So I'm done after that.
I'll let him know in case anything happens, but there you go, bud.
Nah, it's just it's so light and shit on the front end. I had all that power, and
oh, that's cool.
it's not the track's fault, bro.
Making sure. I'm like, we can let him know. Just do a quick brush and drag, but it's cool.
What did I get? What did it say? 16. Yeah. I'll allow it off on that one.
Alright.
Hey, my YouTube channel, if you want to check it out, it's called MotoBroo.
MotoBroo?
MotoBroo.
I feel like I've heard.
You might have seen some videos. Yeah.
Actually, your voice sounds familiar.
Yeah, that's what everyone says.
That makes sense. Yeah, okay, no, I do know who you are.
So yeah, check it out.
You coming out here, bud?
Bro.
I think I'm already subscribed to you and everything.
I appreciate that, bro. Hey, y'all be easy.
See you, man.
Later. You don't understand what happened on the back half of that track, dude.
What happened?
You know I was in the wheelie the whole time? I put it down, the front tire slid, bro, and I thought I was like, chee! I thought I was going down, bro. I don't know how I got out of it. Like, it might be on the GoPro where you can see me sliding, but I was like, after that, I'm done. Let's head back to the Scooby and freaking call it a night. That was sketchy. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today at the drag strip. It's been flipping crazy. Remember, stay motivated. We got merch in the description down below. Until next time. Peace.